before classes what is meant by sense organs. What are the sense organs? How many sense organs are there? Show me your fingers. How many are there? How many sense organs? 5. How many? 5 sense organs. Very good. Today's topic is sense organs. Very good, children. Everybody have to write what I am writing here, what I am drawing here. Everything you have to note down in your book. Okay, children? Very good. What are the sense organs? How many eyes? Very good. Ears. Next, nose, tongue, skin. Okay, children? All of you know the sense organs? Again, I am telling, what are the sense organs? Show me. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Yes or no? You all know, you learned in the before classes from starting first class onwards, you will learn about the sense organs. Okay, children. In this topic, we will learn about what is the use of the sense organs, what we should not do with the sense organs. In this lesson, we will learn. Okay, children. First, we will draw the first sense organs. What? Eye. Eye. Now we will draw the diagram of the eye. Take the pencil and draw neatly. Okay, children? What you are seeing here? Eye. Very good. It is eye. First sense organ is eye. What is the use of the eye? And now I will write some points here. You have to write down in your book. You have to by heart it. Okay, children? What we can do? What we can do, what we won't do. The two you have to write. Okay, children. Now I will write one by one point. You have to write down in your books. Keep a line like this. Now we have to write about the eye. What is the first point of the eye? What is the use of the sense organ? First one. Always read only in sufficient light. Okay, children? Always study in only in sufficient light. All of you understood, children? What we have to do? In the bright light only, we have to read. We have to write, children. In dark room, we should not write. Okay? All of you understood? What is the use of the sense? What we have to do with the eye? We always study only in the sufficient light. In the correct light only, we have to read or write, children. Okay, all of you understood? All of you understood? Okay, second one. Second one is, if you're while your teacher is explaining me or your mother is showing something, you can't see the picture or anything means within seconds what you have to do? Tell your teacher or parent if you can't read the blackboard. Write down. Tell your teacher if you cannot read the blackboard. Okay, children. This is the second point. Write down. Tell your teacher if you cannot read the blackboard. It means if your teacher is writing something in their blackboard means you are sitting back in the back bench means you can see clearly. No, sometimes we can't see clearly. Then what we have to do? We have to inform to the teachers, madam, I can't see the board clearly. It means our eyes are not properly. That's why we have to tell to within seconds we have to tell to our teacher or parents that I can't see the board clearly. You have to intimate to your teacher or parents. Okay, children? This is the second point of the which sense organs? What I am explaining? I. Very good. What's the third point? Sit erect while reading. Sit erect while reading. Sit erect means what? While you are reading, you will sleep and you will read. No, you have to sit straight. All of you sit straight first. All of you sit straight. Very good. You have to sit straight when you are reading. All of you understood? Sit erect. Erect means right. Sit erect while reading. All of you understood the third point? All of you understood means show me your hands. All of you understood? Okay, very good. Next, last point means wash your eyes regularly with clean cold water. Wash your eyes regularly with clean cold water. Okay, children, clean cold water every second. It means within 1 or 2 hours every day you have to clean your eyes. Always, will you do this properly? You have to clean your eyes regularly. Again, I will tell what are the do's. It means what we have to do with the help of the eyes. Now again, I will repeat it. Everybody have to write down. Okay, children? First, what's the first point? Read with me. All of you have to read with me. Always study only in sufficient light. All of you understood? Always study only in sufficient light. Very good. What's the second point? What's the second point? Now read. Tell your teacher if you can't read the blackboard. Okay. Again tell me. Tell your teacher if you cannot read the blackboard. Okay. All of you understood the 2 points? Next, third point. What is the third point? Sit erect while reading. Sit erect while reading. All of you sit straight. Now I am telling no. Sit erect while reading. Very good. What's the fourth point? Wash your eyes regularly with clean cold water. Okay, children? Everybody have to do these all points. Okay. Next, what we should not do with the eyes? Now I will write down. First write down. First point is do not read in dim light. Okay, children? We should not read in dim light. Here, what I told? We should read in sufficient light. I don't know. It means in dark room. If light is not there, means in the time we should not read in the dim light. All of you understood? Okay. Surya Prakash, you have any doubt? Sri Pragya?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now. Okay, all of you understood the first point? Do not read in dim light. Next, second point is do not close to the TV. Okay, children? While watching. Okay, repeat after me. Write down. Do not close to the TV or television while watching it. Okay. If you are watching the TV means what you will do? You will sit very close to the TV. Yes or no? What happens then? We can't see clearly after some few days. That's why what we have to do? We have to sit far from the television. Okay, children? Every day you will do like that only. If you have any sisters or brothers means you have to tell to your brothers and sisters what you have to tell. We should not sit near to the television. Why? Because our eyes will affect. We can't see clearly after some years. So we have to sit far from the television. Okay, children. Next, what's the third point? What's the top? Never rub your eyes. What? Never rub your eyes. If anything fell in our eyes also, we should not rub our eyes. What we'll do always, if we are crying also, what we'll do? We will rub our eyes. Yes or no? But we should not rub your eyes. All will follow these all. Will you follow or not? Very good. First, about what sense organs we are reading now. We are learning. Very good. About I am explaining what we have to do with our eyes. What's the first point? Tell me. What's the first point here? Always, everybody have to tell. Always study only in sufficient light. Okay, children? First point over. What's the second point? Tell your teacher if you cannot read the blackboard. Okay. What's the third point? Sit erect while reading. What? Sit erect means how we have to sit? How we have to sit? Show me how you are sitting. Sit erect. Very good. Sit erect while reading. Next one what? Wash your eyes regularly with clean cold water. Okay, children. Every day you will do these all or not? Will you do or not these all? Okay, very good. Will you tell to your sister and brothers? Will you tell everything what I am explaining every day you have to explain to your parents, brothers, neighbors. Okay. How much you understood you will learn. Okay children. You won't forget any day, any time. While you are sleeping also, you can explain. Okay children. Every point you have to by heart it. What's the next point? What we should not do with our eyes? What's the first one? Do not read in dim light. Okay, what's the second point? Do not close to the TV while watching it. What we have to do? We have to sit near to the TV or we have to far to the TV. We have to sit we should not close to the TV while watching it. Very good, children. Next, last point. Never rub your eyes. We should not rub your eyes. Up to here, all of you understood? All of you understood? All of you wrote down these all points? Over? If you are writing means raise your hands. Who are writing, raise your hands. Okay, all completed now? Okay, next sense organs I will tell.
Ma'am, I didn't write, ma'am.
What children?
I did it, ma'am.
You finish or not?
No, ma'am.
Which point you are writing?
Third point, ma'am.
Third point. Third point, okay. I will write here, write down. Fifth class.
బోర్డు గాంధీనగర్ స్కూల్ గాంధీనగర్ లో చెప్తాను ఈ మా టీచరే ఆ క్లాస్ టీచరే
ఆవిడొక్కతే వెళ్ళి చెప్తుందా
చాలా ఇంకో మంది వస్తారు.
Okay. Did you complete it or not? Okay. Next one is ear. What's the next sense organ? Ear. Very good. Okay, this is the ear. Next sense organ is, what's the next sense organ? Ear. What we have to do with the ear? What we have to do? First point, tell me. If you have earache means ear pain. Okay, children. If you have earache, Ask your parent. Ask your parent. Take you to doctor. Take you to the doctor. Write down, children. What's the first point I wrote? If you have earache or ear pain, ask your parent, take you to the doctor. Okay. If you are ear pain, what you have to do? You will cry. Yes or no? You will get more ear pain means you will cry. Then what you have to tell? You have to tell to your parents. What you have to tell? Mother, I am getting ear pain severely, so take me to the doctor. Okay, children, what's the next one? What's the next point? Use a clean cotton swab to clean your ears. To clean your ears. Okay. What's the second point I wrote here? Use a clean cotton swab to clean your ears. Do you know the cotton swab? We will tell earbuds will be there, no? That earbuds we have to use very clean thing, clean one we have to take and we have to clean our ears. Okay, children? With that only we have to clean our ears. We should not use any safety pins or anything to clean our ears. Okay, children? What we should not do with the ears? First one, never clean your ears. Never clean your ears with sharp objects. Because they may damage your ears. It may lead to permanent deafness. Okay, children, or all are writing or not? See the first point, never clean your ears with sharp objects. It means what you will do, if any tools will be there, no? Slides, small safety pins. With that, what you will do, you will clean your ears. So we should not clean with that sharp object because they may damage your ears. It means inside very sensitive, no? It will damage. It may lead to permanent deafness. It means if you are cleaning with that sharp object means inside it will damage. Then what happens? You can't hear properly. Okay. Okay, children. What's the next point here? Do not listen to loud noise. Do not listen to loud noise. As it can damage your ears. Okay, children, what's the second point I know? Do not listen to loud noise. It means if you want to listen the any music means what you will do? You will keep most on it. You will listen. Yes or no? What can do? We should not keep that type of loud voice. Why? Because as it can damage your ears. If you keep that sound means then also we will lose our ear. Then we will get deafness. All of you understood? All of you understood about the sense organ ears? Again, I will explain from the starting onwards. Okay, children. What we have to do with the ears means if you have any earache, it means if you have any ear problem, ask your parent, take you to the doctor. Okay, children. If you have any ear problem means what you have to do? With whom you have to tell? You have to tell to your friend? No, we have to tell to our parents. Use a clean cotton swab to clean your ears. Okay. Next, what we should not do with the ears means never clean your ears with sharp objects because they may damage your ears. It may lead to permanent deafness. Okay, children. Okay, next second point. Do not listen to loud noise as it can damage your ears. Okay, all of you wrote? Write down, I am giving you time. Who are writing, raise your hands. Write down. Okay, over children? Over? Anybody is writing? I think Dinesh is writing. Write down. After school reopen, I will check your books. Okay? Dinesh over? Okay. Okay, shall I rub the board? Okay, children. Now what you have to do means, now open your books. Now on seeing your books, you have to read what till now what we learned. Okay. What's the topic today? What's the topic? Sense organs. Very good. Sense organs. Okay. In how many sense organs I told? How many are there? Show me your fingers. Very good. Five. Five sense organs. In these five, how many we learn today? How many we learn? Two. Very good. What are they? Show me. Eyes. Very good. Eyes. What's the second one we learn? Ears. Very good. What we have to do with the eyes? Now read first point on seeing your book. Always study only in sufficient light. Very good. What the second point? Tell your parents or tell your teacher if you cannot read the blackboard. Okay. Very good. Sit erect while reading. How you are sitting now? You're sleeping? No, you're sitting erect. Very good boys and good girls are listening the class. They are doing what I am explaining. They are doing. Sit erect while reading. What's the fourth point? Read. You have to read. What's the fourth point? Wash your eyes regularly with clean and cold water. Okay, children? What we should not do with our eyes? We should not do what? We should not do. Read the first point. Do not study in dim light. It means in dark light we should not read. Okay. What's the second point? Do not sit too close to the television or TV while watching it. Okay. What's the third point? Never rub your eyes. Okay, we should not rub your eyes. Will you do from today onwards? Will you do? Will you promise me? These all you have to do. Okay, you have to tell to your parents, you have to tell to your brother and sisters what we have to do with the eyes, what we should not do with the eyes also you have to explain to your parents and friends. Okay, children. Next, what the sense organs? Next one I told. Next one. Ears. Ears. Very good. What first point is about ears? If you have an earache, ask your parents to take you to doctor. Very good. Next, what's the second point? Use a clean cotton swab to clean your ears. Okay, to clean your ears. What we should not do with ears? Never clean your ears with sharp objects because they may damage your ears. Then what happens? It may lead to permanent deafness. Okay, children? Next, what's the next point? Do not listen to loud noise as it can damage your ears. All of you understood up to here? If you have any doubts, raise your hands. No, very good. Tomorrow I will continue with another 3 sense organs. Okay, children? This class is continued with maths class. Good morning, children. This is your Pravina madam teaching mathematics. Are you all ready for the maths class? Are you all ready with your books, children? Yes. So in the previous class, we have learnt about addition. So I think you have completed your assignment, children. I have given you some assignment problems, homework problems. Very good. I got one thumbs up from one girl. Yes, children? Yes, very good. See, I hope that all the Pragati children are very smart and you are going to complete the homework without any escaping, children. Yes? Now. Yes. Now, before going into the topic, children, see here, I want to discuss some examples with you. I'm going to tell you some examples. Please, you have to observe what are the examples and what is the common aspect you have observed in that particular examples. Okay, children? See, for example, I say that there is a student, there is a girl called as Rani. So, to Rani's home, children, see here, to Rani's home, every day 5 liters of milk is supplied by the milk vendor. Okay, you know milk vendor, the person who sells the milk. Okay, so here daily, every day you just think that for Rani's home, for Rani's family requires 5 liters of milk. Just assume, children, just imagine 5 liters of milk is required. Okay, so but what happened? Milk vendor has supplied only 3 liters of milk. The milk vendor has supplied only 3 liters of milk. So how much liters of milk he has to supply? 5 liters of milk he has to supply, children, but only 3 liters of milk he has supplied. So how many liters of milk still he has to supply to that particular family, Rani's family? Yes. Now you keep this example aside. Now coming to the see, there is another person, another student or another boy called as Rohan. Yes, as this is summer season is familiar with which fruits, children? You are all familiar with those fruits. What are those fruits? Mangoes. Very good, children. Do you all like mangoes? Even I like mangoes a lot. Very good. You all like mangoes. So there is a boy whose name is Rohan and he likes mangoes. So his mother bought 10 mangoes. His mother bought 10 mangoes. So in the 10 mangoes, so mother gave to Rohan only 2 mangoes. Only 2 mangoes. So how many mangoes are left over? How many mangoes are left over? Very good. You are all getting the answers because you are all very smart children, very smart kids of Pragati School. Okay. So this is about Rani and Rohan's exam. Next. Children, see here. Do you all like ice creams? Even I like ice cream a lot, children. Do you all like ice creams? Yes, very good. So, what you have decided is you and your friend. Just imagine that you and your friend went to a shop and you want to purchase ice cream. And you have selected one ice cream cone, one ice cream cup you have purchased and you want to purchase, and that one costs rupees 100. Just think that that one costs rupees 100. So you and your friend. Okay, so it is 100 rupees and you said that we are going to share the money. So 100 rupees, both of you, you and your friend are going to share, and you have given 50 rupees. You have given 50 rupees. How much your friend should share? How much your friend should share, children? Yes, very good, 50 rupees. So what did you observe in all these examples? You have observed that leftover, how much milk should be supplied, and how many mangoes are required, and next we have you and your friend, how much you are going to share. Okay, children, in all these examples, you have observed a common thing, common term, common word called as subtraction. Yes, children? So now we are going to learn about subtraction. So what is our heading? Which is nothing but subtraction. Yes, now. So these are the examples, children. So 5 liters of milk is supplied by a milk vendor. So 5 liters has to be supplied. 3 liters only he has supplied. Still he has to supply 2 liters of milk. So milk vendor should supply 2 liters of milk. What are you doing here? Subtraction. 5 minus 3. Okay, children, you are removing 3 from 5. In the same way, Rohan. For Rohan, how many mangoes he got? He got only 2 mangoes. How many mangoes are left over, children? How many mangoes are left over? We will get minus 10 minus 2, 8 mangoes. She is going to distribute in her family, in Rohan's family. Rohan has got already his share. His share is 2 mangoes. Okay, children. Next we have the ice cream example. Aha, so yummy example, yes. Yes, children. Mangoes and ice cream example are so yummy. Okay. Yes. Do you all like the examples? Very good, children. Yes. Now we have 100 rupees. In that 50 rupees you have given, and another, how much she has to give, she or he, 50 rupees. So you both share the amount of 100 rupees to 50. 50 rupees you will be giving, 50 rupees your friend is going to give, and you are going to enjoy the ice cream in this summer season, which is so yummy and cool. Fine, children? So these are the examples. So we have taken, did you all notice another important point, children? In the first example, we have done the subtraction of single digit number. Yes, am I right? Single digit number subtraction we have completed, and in the second example we have taken one 2-digit number and one single digit number, 1-digit number, and we have done the subtraction. Next, in the same way we have taken 3-digit number minus 2-digit number subtraction we have done, which is nothing but 15. I think you are all familiar with subtraction, children. You are all aware of subtraction, so no need to worry about it. In that subtraction we are going to learn some more words. I mean, some more terminology we are going to learn, children. Already you have learned in your 4th class, but let us recapitulate again. Fine. So this is about the subtraction examples, which is the introductory part, introduction. Fine, children? Yes. You are all aware of the instructions. Again, what are the instructions given? If you have any doubt, you can clear your doubts, children. You know how to do that also? Yes. In the more options, you will be having hand symbol, and you can raise the hand and you can ask if you have any doubts. I hope so, children. You will not be having any doubts because we are going stepwise. Fine, children? Yes. Now let us have one example. Subtract 3,000 from 4,000
375. Subtract 3000 from 4375. Now let us do what we have to do, children. To get it out now, the first step, which number you have to write down first? Which number you have to write first? Either 3000 or 4375. Children, since primary classes you are learning that always we will be doing the subtraction of bigger number and smaller number. Yes, am I right? Bigger number minus the smaller number. Children, do you know that when you are entering into your 7th standard, you are going to do smaller number minus bigger number subtraction also. Yes, children? Is it interesting to you? Yes. Now let us do the subtraction. First we are going to write the bigger number, which is 4375 minus 3000. Yes, children? I think the example is very easy to you. Yes? May I know who is speaking? Yes, children, shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So now let us do the subtraction. We know that 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 0 is nothing but 7. 3 minus 0, we have 3. 4 minus 3, we have 1. So 1375 children. Yes? So subtraction, we should be very much careful. Now, any number minus 0. 0 subtracted from any number, we will get the same number itself, children. Very, very, very important fact you have to register in your mind, children. Fine? So this is about the subtraction. So 4-digit number, we have done the subtraction. Are you all copying? Yes. Children, as today it is Sunday, holiday for you, I am going to give you only 2 examples for doing the assignment. Fine? 2 more examples shall I write? Fine. So we have another example. Children, is my handwriting visible to you? Everything is clear to you? Can you all see? Very good. Please show me the thumbs up. You don't have any problem? Very good. So, are you all understanding the handwriting? Fine, good. Yes. Now let us see another question. Subtract 2375 from 8625. Next, subtract 1000 from 2000. Are the problems easy, children, to you? Yes. Children, see here. Copy the examples. You have to solve. You have to do the subtraction, children. Fine. I'm giving you time to copy. Please copy them. Yes, children? Shall I wipe off the board? Shall I, children? Okay? Is it okay? Sohan? Sohan, shall I off the board? Shall I wipe off the board? If you have any doubt, please, you can talk. Okay, fine. Children, if you have any doubt, no need to hesitate. Please come to unmute and you just talk to me. I'm going to clarify your doubts.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes. Who is speaking? Please tell your name. Tell your name. Children, please just feel that you are sitting in a classroom. That's all. Okay. No need to fear anything. No need to hesitate. You can ask me. Fine? Yes. Yes. See subtraction, children see here subtract 3000 from 4375 means what you have to do is bigger number minus smaller number. That's it. I hope that is only your doubt. Which number you have to keep first? Yes? First you have to keep the bigger number, then the smaller number. Children, we can't do the subtraction of smaller number minus bigger number. Now in this stage, it is not at all required to you. Just write down the bigger number minus smaller number. I think you all know the comparison of numbers, which number is greater, which number is lesser. Fine? Yes, I'm going to wipe off the board. Next we are going to learn. Fine children, this is one of the sentence framing for doing the subtraction. Now we are going to learn another sentence framing in which you are going to learn which is subtraction only, but the terminology will be different. What is the terminology? Which is nothing but different words. We are going to learn different words in this. Fine? Yes. Yes, now we have an example. Subtract 3,34873 from 983,964. 983,964. So which number you have to write first? We know that 983,964. This is a bigger number. Next you have to write down the smaller number. What is that? 3,34873. Yes. Before going into the subtraction, I am going to tell you two words which are nothing but minuend. Already you are aware of these words in your 4th class children, and this is called as subtrahend. In the subtraction, from the number which we are subtracting is called as minuend. I mean, just think that, just keep in your mind that the bigger number is minuend and the smaller number is called as subtrahend. Okay? And whatever the result you are getting, it is called as difference. It is called as difference. Now let us do the subtraction. Shall we start? 4 minus 3, we have 1. 6 minus 7 we cannot do, so you have to do the borrow. So 16 minus 7. What do you get, children? 16 minus 7. Yes? Show me your fingers. 16 minus 7. What do you get? Very good. 9. So next we have 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Again 13 borrow. 13 minus 4 we have 9. We are left with 7. 7 minus 3 we have 4. 9 minus 3 we have 6. So 6,49,091. Yes children, subtraction are they correct? Please check the answer once again. Check the answer. Minuend, subtrahend and difference.
And one.
Yes children?
Addition.
Somebody hand raised. Do you have any doubts? Gautam, Sohan Sharma. Gautam, Sohan Sharma, and Sudha, Prakash, Sai Venkat. Copy children, I am going to give you the time. Do you have any doubts? You can talk to me. You are free to talk to me, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Yes. Gautam, do you want to talk to me?
No, ma'am.
Sai Venkat, what about you?
No, ma'am.
No, don't have any problem. Yes? Shall we continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Yes, children? Yes. Now I say that find the difference of 6,000 and 4,355. Find the difference of 6,000 and 4,355. What do you have to do, children? What we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. Yes? Yes, children? So subtraction we have to do, find the difference of 6,000 and 4,355. Children, here you have to note down, please underline the word difference. Underline the word difference when you are noting down in your books. Please underline the difference. Why? Because difference, find the difference means here you should not get any confused and you have to do the subtraction. Yes? Fine children? So we have to do the subtraction. Fine. So we have 6,000. Find the difference. We have to find out 6,000 minus 4,355. So here I have seen so many children that you are writing 0 minus 5 as 5. Is it correct? Shall we do in that way or we have to do the borrowing subtraction? Borrowing subtraction we have to do, children. Yes? So for that we cannot do any borrow as we have zeros. Take the borrow from 6. You get 10. Again from 10 you are taking another borrow. So what do you get? 10 because it becomes 9. Again from 10 you are taking another borrow. So which is 10 and you get 9. So 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. And you are left with 5. 5 minus 4, you have 2 children. 2,645. Am I right? Shall we check our answer is correct or not? Shall we check, children? So checking also we can do. So how to check the answer which we have done is correct or not? So for that, so what you have? You have minuend, subtrahend. So subtrahend plus difference should be equal to minuend. Then we say that our answer is correct. Subtract difference should be equal to mind weight. Then only our answer is correct. Means what you have to do? 4,355 plus 2,645. What do you get? 10, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So we have, 5 minus 4, it is 1 children. So we have 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6,000. Yes, Gautam, you have raised the hand, but you didn't ask me anything. No? Okay, fine. Yes, children, 1,645. Is the board visible to you? Everything is clear to you? Yes? So in this way, we can go for checking also. Checking the answer, whether our answer is correct or not. Yes. I'm going to give you another question, children. I'm going to give you another question, the same pattern, the same method you have to apply. Only one question as the homework. Children, until now, how many questions I have given you for homework? Please tell me, anyone? How many questions I have given? Yes, Prakash has raised the hand. Prakash, Ashish. Did I give 2 questions or 3 as homework? Yes, children? Only 2? Shall I wipe off the board? Shall I rub the board? Okay. Shall I continue? Yes? Fine. Ashish has raised the hand. Please talk. Do you have any doubt, Ashish? Manoj, Prakash, Divyasri? Is the class interesting to you? Are you all enjoying the class? Yes? Are you all enjoying the class? Yes or no? Nod your head. Yes. Yes, I'm going to give you another question. Please note it down, children. Find the difference of and 5,775. And check your answer. Note down the question, children, everyone. Find the difference of 8,000 and 5,775 and check your answer. See how we have done in the before example, previous example. We have to solve in the same way, children. Yes. Manoj, Divyasri, Prakash. Yes, children. Are you copying the problem?
Yes, miss.
Yes.
Yes, miss. Yes,
Very
miss.
good. Who said yes, miss?
Ma'am.
Divyasri?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Divyasri?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. Very good. Ashish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sirisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Manoj?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, children. Excellent. Fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Keep it up, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Find the difference of 8,000 and 5,775 and check your answer. Children, if you are solving this problem properly, I am going to thank you. Yes? Fine? Ramesh? You have to do the subtraction and you have to check whether your answer is correct or not. For that, you have to follow the previous example which we have solved. Fine? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Manoj? Yes, now we have children, all of you observe these examples. Now note down these examples, children. Note down these examples. 200 minus 99, 345 minus 89, 638 minus 9, 6,854 minus 358. Copy and we have to solve these problems. After solving these problems, I am going to give you some more problems. Fine? Only 2 problems I am going to give you. Don't worry, children. Fine? Sirisha has raised the hand. Prakash, Ashish, Divyasri. Children, if you are raising the hands, you have to please tell me that you have any doubt or not. Ramesh. So that I could understand, children, what is your problem? Yes, yes, somebody has raised the hand. Vinita Devi. Vinita Devi, I can't hear you. Are you telling the answers? Vinita, are you telling the answer? Yes. Children, first one is borrowing subtraction. Yes or no? Borrowing subtraction, 200 minus 99 we have to do, children. Yes?
101.
3.
101.
Yes, Divya, what's your problem? Any doubt?
Miss, answer 101.
Oh, your answers you're telling. Very good, very good. Keep it up, very good. Excellent. So we have borrowing subtraction, children. 10 minus 9. We have 1. 9 minus 9, 0. So 1. So 101. Very good. Who has who told the answer?
Second. Miss, again.
Whoever told, very good. Excellent. Fine. Next we have the subtraction again, borrowing subtraction. 15 minus 9. What do you get? 6. So here we have 3. What is, again take the borrowing subtraction, 13 minus 8. What is 13 minus 8, children? We have 5, again 2. So 256. 256. Next, as we don't have any digits here, so you have to consider them as zeros to avoid the confusion. As there are no digits, you have to consider them as zeros, children, to avoid the confusion. That's all. So to do the borrowing subtraction, 18 minus 9, 9. Next we have 2 minus 0, 2. 6 minus 0, 6. So you have 629. Fine. Next is the same way. This problem also. Take the borrowing subtraction. 14 minus 8. We have 6. Left with 4. Again take borrow. 14 minus 5. We have 9. Again we have 7. 7 minus 3. 4. And we are left with 6. As we don't have any digit, you can consider it as 0. Just to avoid the confusion. 6,496. Yes, children, please copy the answers also. I am going to give you some more examples. So E 235 minus 82. 683 minus 34. You have to do this as homework. Homework problem. 235 minus 82 and 683 minus 34. Children, yes, so we have learned about subtraction. So in the previous class, we have learned about addition and now subtraction also we have completed. Children, I'm going to tell you one small point and I'm going to end the class. Yes, children, I think you have heard about Vedic mathematics, yes? Have you all heard about Vedic mathematics? Children, see here. In our subtractions, in this method, we are doing the subtraction from right side to left side. Yes, right side to left side. But in Vedic mathematics, we can do the subtraction from left to right. We have another method for that. Okay, I enjoyed the class. So do the homework. Okay, children, don't escape from the homework. Yes, children? Okay, thank you.
Hello. Fifth and ninth. Ninth to 7. Start చేస్తున్నాడు.
Answers are
మీరు అది హ్యాండ్ రైస్ చేసేది అక్కడ కనపడుతుంది. హ్యాండ్ రైస్ చేస్తే మైక్ ఆన్లో ఉండదు. మనం ఆన్ చేయాలి. టెల్మి ఇంటర్ నాకు ఆన్సర్ కాదు. ఇప్పుడైనా క్రికెట్ మనం ఆన్ చేయాలి. మీరు చూసి హలో హ్యాండ్ రైస్ చేసేది ఏదైనా ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి. మాకు
నేనేమో
అది మీరే చేయాలి పోస్ట్
ఇక ప్రవర్తించిన 4 రూపాయలతో మా క్లాస్ మేము ఉన్నాం ఇక్కడ 4 రూమ్లో 5 రూమ్లో క్లాస్